Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something very important and exciting, the introduction to programming. I am Jason James Okno, a BS Infotech student from CSUCC. This is a beginner friendly topic, so if you're just starting out, this video is for you. What is programming? Programming is the process of writing instructions that a computer can understand and execute to perform specific tasks, such as solving problems, displaying information, or automating actions. These instructions are written using programming languages like Python, Java, or C++. By using programming, people can create software applications, websites, games, and many other digital tools that we use every day. It allows humans to communicate with machines and control their behavior in a logical and efficient way. So, ang programming daw is more siyang a process of writing, no? Writing of instructions, no? Mga balaod kibali that can understand, no? That can computer can only understand, no? Can understand. Think of it like a giving by step directions to a machine, so it knows what to do. Um, ang mga ang mga instructions na ito ay sinulat sa mga programming language gamit ang Python o Java. Ito po yun, ang Java po at saka Python ang laging ginagamit para mag-programming. Like, it is most used languages. So why learn programming? Learning programming is important because it helps you develop problem solving skills, think logically, and understand how technology works. In today's digital world, programming is a valuable skill that opens up many career opportunities in fields like software development, data science, web design, and artificial intelligence. It also allows you to create your own apps, automate tasks, and bring your ideas to life through technology. Whether you want to build a career in tech or simply understand the tools you use every day. Programming gives you the power to shape the digital world around you. So there are many reasons to learn programming. You can automate boring tasks, create apps and games. Analyze data, or even control robots. It also helps you develop problem solving and logical thinking skills which are useful in any career. So ang programming good, maka-learn gyud ka on how to make apps or websites that is like especially nowadays nga ginagamit na gyud siya sa ato pang adlaw-adlaw. Next are the programming languages. As I've said earlier, Java and Python are the most used. Yes, it's correct because the popular languages are Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript. There are many marami pang ibang languages, pero these four are the most popular languages, no? Pero focus today is Java and Python. Mm-mm. Programming context. Programming context refers to the environment, purpose, and condition in which programming is used. It concludes the type of problem being solved, the user's needs, the platform like web, mobile, or desktop, and the programming language or tools being used. Understanding the context helps programmers choose the right approach and write effective, efficient code for the specific situation. The programming includes context includes understanding the syntax, rules of a language, the logic or flow of steps of a program, and how to produce the correct output. Knowing these basics helps you write a better code. Flowchart. A flowchart is a diagram that shows the steps of a of a process or program using different shapes like arrows, ovals, rectangles, and diamonds. It helps visualize the flow of logic, making it easier to understand how a program works or how a task is completed step by step. So, common flowchart symbol daw is na ikaning terminator, which is ang shape niya is oval. It is on how you start or end. Mo gini siyang gina-use sa flowchart. Ang oval is start or end or begin o end. Process is ang rectangle, ang action or instruction. Like dito ka nag-give of instruction, diyan mo ibutang. Ang decision is diamond, yes or no, or true or false questions. If naay sa code nimo nga nag-ask if yes or no, kaning kaning nga symbol ang imong gamiton, diamond. Ang arrow sub shows the flow or direction. There are actually a lot of symbols nga naa sa flowchart, but these are the most basic ones. Flowcharts are often used in programming to plan and organize code before writing it. So here are some my example of flowchart. It is a basic example. As you can see, oval start and also the end has an oval shape. The input A and B and display sum is parallelogram, which is a command, and then the rectangular is the sum. It is in instructions A plus B. The code states here that you have to input a number with A input sa A o B para sa sunod i-add niya si A o B unya mo display dayon ang answer sa A o B, and that's the end of your code. This is the code that actually nga dito as a flowchart ganina. It's input, enter first number, and then enter second number, which is the B. A is the first number, B is the ano, second number. So ang process here is ang sum is equals to A plus B. Then the output print the sum is kung unsa ang naka-input nga number sa A o B, i-add niya mao gawas dayon ang sum and end na dayon sa imong code. What is pseudocode? Pseudocode is a simple way of describing the steps of a program using plain language that looks like code but isn't written in any specific programming language. It helps programmers plan and understand the logic of a program before writing the actual code. Pseudocode focuses on what the program should do, not how to do, in it a particular language, making it easier to design and explain algorithms. Here are some example of pseudocode. Example, no start. It's the same sa flowchart ng example katong ganina. Same na siya. Pseudocode is a simple code lang man. And chart. An chart or it means an input process output. Chart is a tool that breaks down a process into three key components: input, process, and output. The input is the data provided to the program, the process is the operations performed on the data, and the output is the result of these operations. Output charts help organize and visualize the flow of data in a program, making it easier to understand the logic and plan the program before writing the code. Here, IDE. An IDE, which we say Integrated Development Environment, is a software application that provides comprehensive tools for writing, running, and debugging code all in one place. It combines various features to make the development process more efficient. Examples sa mga IDE is kaning VS Code, Eclipse, PyCharm, and IntelliJ. Kani sila ng mga apps or yes, apps kay mao ni sila ang maka-debug, maka-run og maka-comprehend ka og maka-write ka diha og code sa isa lang ka app. Kaya ang uban dili sila maka-debug, dili sila maka-run, moadto pa ka sa laing app to run or to debug. So kani sila ng mga apps ay murag nanatanan feature sa ilaha. So how to install the IDE? To install an IDE, first, go to the official website of the IDE you want to use, such as VS Code, IntelliJ, PyCharm, or Eclipse, and download the version suitable for your operating system. Second, open the downloaded installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation, including accepting the license agreement and choosing an install location. Third, launch the IDE after installation and configure the initial settings like theme, language support, or layout. Fourth, if needed, install additional plugins or extensions to support your chosen programming language or tools. Lastly, create a new project or open an existing one and you're ready to start writing, running, and debugging your code. So, ang pinakasayon gid ani, if you want to install an IDE app or you can go to their website, i-search lang nimo sa Google like VS Code, search lang nimo and then just click the latest version if o kung unsa mga suitable sa imong unit yung ginagamit or sa imong desktop, laptop or unsa imong gina-use nga suitable sa imong gadget, pwede rin na siya. And then after ana, you can click the downloaded file and then install and then you can click to the app and then you can code. So here are some example of a simple code for Java and Python. Kaning sa Java, input A equals B equals 5 rather, B and equals to 3, and then sum A plus B, and then system out print next line, sum plus the sum. Magawas na dayon ni ang 5. So, dapat ang answer ani is 8. Also put here sa Python. Ang sa Python, diretso na gid siya. Wala na siya kaning int, kaning sa system out, print next line, chuchu sa Java. Diretso na gid siya. Another example is here. It's the same, pero mas grabe og command ang Java kaysa sa Python. And that's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed.